Okay, problem number 4 on the test. Says you have these two triangles and that they are similar, right? And so you try to make them so that they look the same. If they were upside down, I would rewrite them so that they look the same, but they already kind of look the same, right? Mm-hmm. So, okay, cool. So they look the same. We're good to go on that. So that means, right, that this is to this as this is to that, right? Okay? So let's see what that looks like. 8 is to 12 as x is to 10. Okay? That's one way I love to think about it. This is to that, this is to that. Okay? It's a great way. But also, I always try to keep things easy, right? So, x over 8 is equal to 10 over 12. Or vice versa. If I would have wrote it that way, it would have still been 8 over x, right? Mm-hmm. And it would have still been 12 over 10. And these don't matter, right? They're just flipped. That's all. Doesn't matter which way you want to work it. Both of these will work. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. So, go with it. Okay? Bam. Bam. 12x equals 80. Same thing here. 12x equals 80, right? So we got the same thing, different sides of the equation, and just solve. Divide by 12, divide by 12. X equals 80 over 12. So if x equals 80 over 12, right, how am I going to break that down? Again, upside down division. What goes into 80 and 12? I know 2 does because they're both even, right? Does 3? No. Does 4? Yeah, because it goes into 12, it goes into 8. So let's go with 4. See if that's, maybe 8 does. 8 goes into 80. Does 8 go into 12? No. No. So it's pretty much going to be 4, right? Because 12 is what? 4 times 3, right? We already decided that 3 doesn't go into it. So we know that 4 is our greatest common factor. Or we should know that. But, we might not. We're going to try 4. 4 goes into 80 20 times. 4 goes into 12 3 times. Right? So x is 20 over 3. Or 3 goes into 20. 6 with 2 left over to 3. 6 2/3. Okay? And that's similar triangles. That's it. We're using proportions. Okay?